Panel gap on the hood is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Move to the next station.
Welcome to the heart of British automotive excellence, where craftsmanship meets cutting-edge technology. Today, we're taking you inside Aston Martin's state-of-the-art facility in Gaydon, Warwickshire, to witness the birth of the extraordinary DB12, a masterpiece that Aston Martin boldly calls the world's first super tourer. Our journey begins in the metalworking section, where the DB12's foundation takes shape. Unlike mass-produced vehicles, each DB12 starts with a hand-assembled aluminum spacer. Skilled technicians carefully bond and rivet aerospace-grade aluminum sections together, creating a structure that's both incredibly rigid and remarkably lightweight. This intricate skeleton weighs just over 500 pounds, yet it provides the strength needed to handle the DB12's impressive 671 horsepower. The precision here is absolute. Every joint is measured to tolerances of less than 1 millimeter. This isn't just about structural integrity. It's about creating the perfect canvas for the luxury and performance that will follow. Next, we move to one of the most critical stages, the marriage of engine to chassis. The DB12 is powered by a hand-built twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, enhanced specifically for Aston Martin. Before installation, each engine undergoes rigorous testing on dynamometers, ensuring it delivers not just power, but the refined character expected from a super tourer. Watch as technicians carefully lower the engine into the bay. This process requires absolute precision. The engine must align perfectly with the transmission, suspension mounting points, and cooling systems. The team works with almost surgical precision, securing hundreds of connections that will bring this mechanical masterpiece to life. Now we enter what many consider the most visually stunning part of the production process, the paint shop. The DB12's body panels receive up to 20 layers of paint and clear coat, applied in a climate-controlled, dust-free environment. Each coat is meticulously inspected under specialized lighting that reveals even the tiniest imperfection. Aston Martin offers an extensive palette of colors, from classic racing greens to bespoke shades created exclusively for individual customers. Some owners choose unique colors that require special formulation, a process that can take weeks to perfect. Between each coat, skilled artisans hand sand the surface, ensuring a mirror-like finish that seems to glow from within. Step into the interior assembly area, and you'll immediately understand why the DB12 commands its premium price. Here, master craftspeople, many with decades of experience, hand-stitch every leather surface. The DB12's cabin can be trimmed in bridge of weir leather, sourced from cattle raised in cooler climates to minimize imperfections. Each seat requires approximately 4 hours of hand-stitching. Artisans work from patterns, but also rely on their trained eye and touch to ensure every stitch is perfectly tensioned and aligned. The attention to detail extends to the smallest elements. Even the headliner is hand-fitted and can be specified in Alcantara or premium suede. Watch as technicians install the handcrafted wooden veneers. These aren't simple plastic overlays. They're genuine wood pieces, carefully selected for grain pattern and color matching. Each set of veneers comes from the same tree to ensure perfect consistency across the entire interior. Despite its traditional craftsmanship, the DB12 is thoroughly modern. Technicians now install the advanced infotainment system, featuring a high-resolution touchscreen and the latest connectivity features. The sound system, an available Bang & Olufsen setup with 15 speakers, is carefully calibrated for the DB12's specific cabin acoustics. Behind the scenes, hundreds of meters of wiring connect everything from the adaptive suspension sensors to the ambient lighting system. Each connection is tested multiple times to ensure flawless operation. We're now in the final assembly hall, where all elements converge. The painted body is carefully lowered onto the chassis and mechanically secured.
The depth gauge reading here is
and trunk are fitted with tolerances so precise that the panel gaps measure just 5 millimeters, consistent around the entire vehicle. The wheels, lightweight forged aluminum pieces, are mounted and torqued to exact specifications. Brake calipers, finished in contrasting colors, are visible through the spokes, hinting at the performance capabilities within. Before any DB12 leaves the factory, it undergoes an exhaustive quality control process. Inspectors examine every surface, every stitch, every mechanical component. The car is placed on a rolling road where it's tested at various speeds while computers monitor thousands of data points. Then comes the road test. A skilled test driver takes each DB12 on a predetermined route that includes everything from smooth motorways to challenging back roads. They're feeling for the slightest vibration, listening for any unusual sounds, ensuring that the driving experience meets Aston Martin's exacting standards. Finally, each completed DB12 receives a personalized plaque, signed by the craftspeople who built it. This isn't just a car, it's a piece of automotive art, a fusion of human skill and engineering excellence. From aluminum frame to finished masterpiece, the journey takes approximately 200 hours of dedicated craftsmanship. This is the Aston Martin DB12, where British heritage meets modern performance, where every detail matters, and where luxury truly means something special. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey through one of the world's most
3.5
prestigious
confirmed.
automotive factories.
Perfect fit.
Initiating diagnostic sequence 12. All modules responding within parameters. Switching to manual override check. Initiating diagnostic sequence 12. All modules responding within parameters. Switching to manual override check.